So we marked up the block a little bit using red permanent marker versus layout die. It still works, it's a little bit faster. Marked off, for example, this is going to be the top hole, right? We're drilling this hole, and it is going to be 39 millimeters deep. Here on the plans I have an M6, but we're gonna do a 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 28 thread on this part, and then what is it, H drill .266 on this part of the bolt. So we're going to drill this part first. So we have a spotting drill, and we're going to get to work. Time to change the bit. Let's drop the knee a little bit so we can fit the drill. To a specific depth, so we need to set the depth, and we're going to use the quill DRO. Set it to 0 and get ready to drill. switch the drill to H size, 0.266 of an inch to drill the recess. And then we're going to tap the smaller portion with quarter 28 or quarter by 28. So the recess, we got 23 millimeter deep that we need to go. Change the drill, reset the DRO. Let's go. Excellent. Now we're going to switch this up for a tap. Alright, so we're going to use today a bottoming tap. This is a quarter 28 threads per inch. We're going to start it using the drill and unpowered, then we're going to disconnect and hand tap it using a tap handle. Okay, we started it to make sure that it goes in a hole properly, and now we're going to run it by hand. Because this will take up most of the shank will take up most of the hole, we do have to back it up, clean the chips, and do this a few times to make sure that we don't jam the tab. So I will continue this. We're also going to put a little bit of chamfer on this hole, just to make it nicer. A bit of a chamfer. So now that's done. Now we're going for the main hole here, which is 16 off of each side, 16 millimeters. It's 26 millimeter in diameter. So we're going to get up to 1 inch and then put a boring bar just to finish it to the 1.02 inch or 26 millimeters diameter. So first we're going to so we're going to be stepping through drill sizes all the way up to 1 inch. These are the Silver and Deming drills, just so we can get to the correct size. or close size, and then we'll bore it to the final dimension.